Hi, this is Bapi SIr. A big welcome to my YouTube channel. I introduced myself in the first video and got a huge response from the viewers. Thus, I am very much happy, hopeful and excited with this channel. I hope that students community will be highly benefited with this channel. Thanks a lot and thank you very much. Hello students. Today's topic is exclusively for the students of Icse 2022. Topic: probability. Concept: a pack of 52 cards. You all have seen playing cards. A deck or a pack of playing cards consists of 52 cards. These 52 cards are divided into two types, red cards and black cards. The number of red cards is 26 and the number of black cards is also 26. Red cards are of two types, hearts and diamonds. Black cards are also of two types, clubs and spades. Each of them is 13 in number. 13 hearts, 13 diamonds. Black cards are also of two types, and each of them also 13 in number. These 13 cards of hearts are A, K, Q, J, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 13 cards total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is called a suit of hearts. Diamonds, same cards are present in diamonds. This is another suit of diamonds. 13 cards are also present. Clubs, they are black cards. Clubs, 13. Same cards are present. Okay, it is also another suit. And spades also 13 in number, and it is the other suit. So 52 cards, a deck of 52 cards is divided into four suits. Suit 1, suit 2, suit 3, suit 4. Now I am giving you description of a suit. Look, A means ace card or honored card. It is 4 in number. Aces are 4 in number. K for king. There are 4 kings. King, 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 king. There are 4 kings. Similarly, there are 4 queens. 4 queens and 4 jacks. King, queen, jack are called face cards, and they are 12 in number. Now, excepting these face cards in a suit, all the other cards are called non-face cards. Non-face cards are, excepting these face cards, excepting K, Q, J, all the other cards in a suit are called non-face cards. So, A, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 are called non-face cards. So, there are 10 non-face cards in a suit. 10 non-face cards in a suit. Since there are 4 suits, so total number of non-face cards is 10 into 4, 40. Now, I am giving you an example on this concept. The question is, a card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of an ace. You know that there are 4 aces, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 aces. So, 4 aces are present out of 52 cards. So, 4 by 52 is the probability of an ace. After cancelling it, it becomes 1 by 13. Second question, find the probability of a red card. You know, there are 26 red cards in a deck of 52 cards. 26 red cards in a deck of 52 cards. So 26 by 52 will be the probability of a red card, which is equal to half. After cancellation, it becomes half. Always remember, you will have to bring the fraction in its simplest form. Number 3, probability of neither a king nor a queen. Neither a king nor a queen. You are asked to find out the probability of neither a king nor a queen. So excepting king and queen, you have 11 cards in this suit. 13 minus 2, 11 cards. Since there are 4 suits, so 11 into 4, 44 cards are neither a king nor a queen. So 44 by 52 is the probability. After cancellation, it becomes 11 by 13. Number 4, find the probability of a face card. You know, probability of a face card. How many face cards are there? 12 face cards are there out of 52 cards. So 12 by 52 will be the probability of a face card. After cancellation, it becomes 3 by 13. Number 5, probability of a spade or an ace. Now, a spade or an ace, you know, there are 13 spades. Number of spades is 13. Probably you are asked to find out probability of a spade or an ace. So 13 spades are present here and aces 1, 2, 3. So 13 plus 3, that is 16, is the probability of a spade or an ace. So 16 by 52. After cancellation, it becomes 4 by 13. Now the last question is probability of non-face card of red color. So you will have to find the probability of non-face card of red color. Total number of red cards 26. Non-face card of red color. Non-face card. Okay. These are the face cards. So excepting these 3, all are non-face cards. So in a suit, total number of cards is 13. So 13 minus 3. 3 are face cards. You are asked to find out the probability of a non-face card of red color. So these 3 are the face cards, king, queen, jack. So excepting king, queen, jack in this suit, all are non-face cards. So 13 minus 3, that is 10 face cards, 10 non-face cards, 10 non-face cards are there in this suit of red color. So 10 plus 10, here also 10 non-face cards are there. So 10 plus 10, 20 is the probability, 20 by 52 is the probability of non-face card of red color. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you very much.